Can you invest in DSP Small Cap Fund? That is what you're going to see today. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh and your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks and upcoming author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan in this month. Right, so today it's all about a particular fund called DSP Small Cap Fund, and that was seen some huge interest a couple of years ago, and slowly they stopped getting fund. And I'm going to share a point by point, right? So they follow a unique strategy. Like whenever the small cap index is high, they exit the stock. They stop getting SIP, and they just keep allowing the market to keep growing over and over. And after some time, they stop getting money, and it's a unique strategy because as for myself concerned, in 2016-17, they are the first, even before the rally started. They said that small cap we couldn't find anything, so to invest, so better we stop new SIPs. New SIP registration was stopped, and all the existing SIPs was keep on going. But that was a huge move by them, and slowly after some time, SBI and all the SBI small cap also followed after a few months. So that is the strategy. I liked it because whenever the rally is going to start or whenever the rally is very high, they stop, and then they stop getting. And whenever they find that the index is very valuation is good, whenever the stock market index of small cap is coming down and they are able to find stocks, they open up the SIP drive, and automatically the mutual fund starts growing. So that's how they follow, and performed well in 14-15. And I because of that performance into 2016 till 17, it's almost like people are asking, I want to invest in DSP small cap fund, and slowly it started. They stopped getting, and that was the first move I had seen. And if you look at the last 1 year, the small cap has started performing again. And just let me show you what are the other things you can look at in DSP small cap, so you will also be much clear. Okay, go to money control as usual. You can check out. Okay, I didn't share. Okay. Okay, come to moneycontrol.com, go to DSP small cap fund, regular or direct. It's your choice. You can choose small cap fund and DSP mutual fund house. And this expense ratio is 1.54%, which is okay, well and good. And just look at the small cap fund, almost 13.63% in mid cap and almost 79% in small cap. That's how they had invested, and the small cap index is given the same amount. They are able to replicate the small cap index. It's not index fund, but they are able to replicate the small cap index performance. Just look at the way the stock has grown. It has very ups and downs, and you can exit whenever there is a downfall. And how you can know that? Whenever they're stopping getting the money, and they are very vocal about it. You can watch it, and you will be getting notifications if you are an investor about it. So it goes down, it went down. During this phase, it's like consolidation. If you're a long-term investor, if you're investing in SIP, don't worry about that, because in the long run you are going to get around 15%, right? Let me show you what you will get in the since inception. It's almost like more than 10 years. Just look at 10 years returns is 16%, and since inception is 15%. And though the category average is 11, it keeps moving up and down. But the point is, in the last 1 year, they had given 32% return. Just look at the way the returns are generated. So, whenever you are an investor, if you have been sticking with the company, sticking with this fund for the last 1 year, your returns would have moved. 2 years returns would have been 18.23. These are all annualized returns for that year. If you had entered in third year or fourth year, maybe still you will be getting double digit returns. So this is how you can exit, looking at the returns, and if your goal has near, right? So, and just look at whatever for the last 3 years, SIP returns would have been 20%, and last 10 years your SIP returns would have been 18%. More than annualized returns is 16, but just look at 18.36%. So that's how you can. And last 1 year your annualized returns would have been 80%. Just look at, if you're sticking with the fund at the bottom, if you had invested and when the market crashed, this is a lump sum idea. I'm just giving it to you guys. If the market crashed and if you're investing a lump sum amount in small cap, see the kind of returns it gives. 1 lakh of investments coming around to 1.8 lakhs. Just is it possible in any other asset class? That's what I keep saying to anybody, right? So can you expect that kind of returns in any other asset class? Which cannot. And what you need to do is gain some knowledge about stock market, gain some knowledge about mutual funds. You can play in stock market or mutual funds. Play in the sense, after gaining lots, you can play with that, right? So that's what I'm meaning. So if you are ready, just keep investing, do your SIP drive. In the 10 to 15 years timeline, you will be getting double digit, that to around 14-15%, which is way good compared to FDs or whatever the things, right? It's perfect investment for your retirement planning, for your long-term kids education. If it is more than 5-10 years, yes, you can go for it. And how far you should stay invested? If your investment period is just 3 to 5 years, maybe you can think about investing in this, because you should have 5 to 7 years timeline to make good amount of money, and it needs lots of risk appetite. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends so that they also know whether they can invest in DSP Small Cap Fund and reap the benefits. That is the only point. If you want your friends to reap the benefits, please share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the video so that you keep getting these kind of videos regularly. Thank you.